Get that corn. I'm gonna do this though with the corn. I'm gonna put that on. Y'all, you see me? That's that good. Sugar Wugas, what's up? I'm back at y'all with another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to say my prayer and I'm going to get it started. Amen. Today, Sugar Wugas, I have snow crab legs, some eggs, some shrimp. I got corn down here, and I got some potatoes. This is just a little lunch, a little snack for me, because I decided to come in the house to eat this because I was craving something. I was just craving this, and I wanted it. And I got some sauce right here. This is my version of B-Love sauce. I mean, when I was making it from the beginning, when she first started making it, this is that. Anyway, I'm going to start off with an egg. And I got a little tray down here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. I had to do a thumbnail, y'all. Alright. Y'all want the first bite? Let me see how I can do this. Put my napkin right there because I got some napkins. And give y'all a bite of that egg. Take a bite. Take a bite, my Sugar Wugas. Take a bite of that egg. Alright. Got me looking at that. It's good. That's good. I got these strings right here for my hoodie. I gotta tuck them in. I'm gonna wipe my hands and tuck them in, y'all. Because I see where this is going. Y'all, I'm drinking water today, y'all. I'm wiping my hands off so I can tuck these in. How y'all doing today, Sugar Wugas? How are y'all doing? Oh, I'm gonna do a shrimp. I also put some of the sauce in this, alright? I ain't gonna give y'all none of this shrimp. I should give y'all some if I did all that. I got a little bag down here to put them in. Ooh, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, I got some lemon, y'all. Look at that lemon. I got that lemon. Put some of that on there. Let's see one. Okay, do this. Okay, a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Yes. I just bite it. Open it up. See? Open it up. That's that rest of that meat that was in there. Huh? Dip it in some of that. It needs to put some of that. Mmm. Okay, y'all. Yeah. Get that goodness off of there. Get that goodness off of there. Come this off of. Go, fool. Alright, I'm gonna put it this side. Sweat, really. Well, get that corn. I'm gonna do this though with the corn. I'm gonna put that on. Y'all, you see me? That's that good. I ain't gotta do this, do I? I ain't gotta do it like that. Well, I am. That's a good one. I don't want it to be going. Little legs, these little legs. That's just that. That's just that. A little bit, a little bit. Got a little bag down there, y'all. Where the potatoes at? Let me do a potato. Y'all want some potato? Here, I got another to clean that. Give y'all some potato. Here, there y'all go. There you go. Now that's good. That's real good. Y'all know it's good. Y'all had this. But y'all got it right now. Y'all better go get some. Go get some. See if I can get it now. See? Crack it open, y'all. Look. There you go. I got it. See, I got it. Oh, it fell. Give me that meat. Give me that meat. Y'all see that? That's all that meat. That ain't all that peeling. See? All that meat. Put some of that on there. Put some of this lemon. And that was good. That was good. Concentrating, y'all. Concentrating. concentrating on this goodness right here. Yes. See the shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Lemon, lemon, lemon. This is really good. Glad I chose to do this for a little lunch break. Get in there. Y'all, I'm sorry, y'all. Oh man, you see that? I know it's gonna be great. Let's put I should have took this one off. This pot. And I probably would have slid right on out. Yep. Look. Look. Y'all see that? Let me see if I can get some more lemon out of that. Put it on there. Thank goodness. You see that seed, y'all? That's good, y'all. There you go again. You see that? I use a leg to push that through. I got y'all. I'm gonna get it. See? Got it. It's a struggle sometimes. But, oh well. Gotta get all that meat. You see that? Give me a shrimp. Shrimp. Ooh. Y'all want some? Huh? I'm gonna use the fresh lemon. The seed coming all out of there. You see that seed? Sorry, y'all. That leg was looking a little hurt there, didn't it? That's all right. Look at my ponytail. Why I gotta be acting like that? Let me just peel it. Let me just peel it. See? piece of it. Nah, I was getting ready for get my lemon. I want some lemon on that. Mm. Mm. Just peel it. Just peel it. Put that down there. Wanna act funny. He ain't wanna come out. You see that? He ain't wanna come out. He ain't wanna come out. Sometimes you gotta do that. Stand up right there. The knuckle. The knuckle meat. Knuckle. How many of y'all like the knuckle meat? A lot better than the leg meat. Or you like it all the same? Comment below. Do you like it all the same? The knuckle meat better than the leg meat? Or the leg meat better than the knuckle meat? Or you like it all the same? I like the leg meat better. The leg meat better, but I still like this. Huh? Knuckle meat alright with me. Knuckle meat is alright with me. Y'all. It's concentration, y'all. Concentration. Concentrating on this goodness. Take that up. Bite that potato. Try one. Tasha volcanoes. I'm gonna try it. I will try it. I had to get it together. Ooh, I had to get it together because I'm gonna put a shrimp on mine. Put a shrimp on mine. All right. Ooh. Got the crab and the shrimp and the potato. Yep. I see what you're saying. Whoa. Where's that egg at? Eat this egg. That's good, y'all. The spice setting. Ooh. Ooh. Eat me another shrimp. Cause I'm about to I'm gonna eat the rest. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little something. With my Woo! Look at that. Y'all see me? Y'all see me making a mess. Can't even. Alright. Drink some water. Alright, y'all. One more leg. One more leg. One more leg, y'all. Do that, man. You see that me trying to slide in them? See? It's already peeling, like, you know what I'm saying? That's how y'all do it. I'm gonna get it, y'all. I'm gonna get it. That's some of it. Woo! Living on there. There you go. There go the rest of it. Dip it in here. Dip it in the goodness. Get the ham. Woo! Oh man, where'd that come from? Can't forget that. Y'all forgot? Alright, that's shrimp. I ate it though. I ate it down, y'all. I ate it down. Oh. Take that out. Alright. Alright. Ain't no. Squeeze it all out. Alright, y'all. Oh my god, I forgot y'all was there. I was close to you see me? Alright, y'all. I'm about to let y'all go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, like, share, let everybody know what I'm doing over here. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Anyway, I'm not going to leave y'all without a great big hug for you and me. See y'all on my next video.